Yes, welcome my dear students. Today we are going to be explaining the next concept in your function is function with arrays. This concept as asked in your previous question paper. This is also one of a very important topic. So please give more attention on this topic also. Okay. Yes, let us see what is the function with arrays. Okay. Like an ordinary variables, it is possible to pass an array to a function. So till now we have passed an ordinary variables in our function call and in our function definition you are processed, right? In the same sense you can also pass an array to a function. When an array is passed to a function, only the address of a first element is passed to a function. So whenever you are calling function with an arrays, then what you are doing, you are calling that with first address. If you came to know the address of a first address of an array, I can access an address, right? Got it? It is just like as your college classroom. If you know what is the first room, then you can able to access the second room and third room and fourth room, right? Whenever I am passing the value of when an array is passed to a function, only the address of first element is passed to a function. Please observe this point very carefully. We are passing only first address of first element, we are passing to a function. That is, arrays are passed to a function by address. Then how we are passing the arrays in a function? By the address. Okay, that is when changes are performed in called function that are reflected to the original values in calling function. It means whatever the changes as applied in your address of a variable that in the called function, that called function is function body, the changes will be transferred to the original values. The changes will be transferred to the original values. Okay, so what is a function with arrays? You can pass the values, you can pass the array as a normal variable in your function. When you pass this array variable, you are passing the address of your array variable. If you are passing the address of array variable to the called function, the original value will be changes whenever you are processing. Okay, so let me see how it will be happen. When we know the address of the first element of an array, we can display all element. If you know the address of a first array element, I can access n element. Okay, arrays starts at 0 and ends at 10, right? Sorry, n. What is n? Last element, n minus 1. Okay, let us see. To understand this concept, here one program is given. Let me check what it will happen here. Okay, here what is a program? Write a program to read 10 values to display on the screen by using function. By using the function, we have to display 10 values by using an array concept. Okay, for that I am defining hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, and I am starting from main function. Here we are declaring int a variable, right? So you are not getting here, I think so. Let me open here, the program is exist. Okay, let me open program. Clear? Yes. What is the program? Write a program to read 10 values to display on the screen using a function. 10 values in an array. It is array concept, right? Where we have to read in an array. So now let us see. Okay, now let me check. So we have to read 10 values in an array and display on the screen using function. This is the function concept. Okay, first we are writing hash include stdio.h, conio.h is common. You are starting from the main function. Now you are declaring here which kind of a variable you are declared here? Array variable. It is of integer type. What is its size? 10, and here it is high. If your array concept comes, means one of a looping statement definitely is exist, right? So this is the counter variable. Okay, next I am declaring the prototype declaration. This is the function prototype declaration. Okay, prototype declaration. Please observe here void is the return type and it displays the name of the user defined function. Here you are passing int a of 10. Now instead of normal variable you are supplying, what you are supplying, array variable. Okay, yes. Now afterwards prototype declaration, you are giving the clear screen. Now you are writing one output statement, enter 10 values. We have to read 10 values, right? So for that I am writing enter 10 values as an output statement. Now to read the values from the keyboard we have to use this for loop. Okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true. If condition is true, then what you are doing, scanf. What is the purpose of scanf? We have to read a value and store in this address. Okay, what is the address? A of 0. Okay, whatever the value you are reading from the keyboard, you are storing in the a of 0 location. Why? Because I is 0, right? Now I am storing it as a 10. So where the 10 is stored, in which address I have stored, a of 0 address. Got it? Next afterwards I will be increment. Now I become 1, 1 less than 10, condition true. So scanf means you have to read the value from the keyboard, and whatever the value you are reading, I am reading it is a 20. Where the 20 will store, 20 will store now in a of 1 address. Okay, a of 1 address, what is the value? 20. Got it? Likewise a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5, a of 6, right? Likewise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on I'm storing. Now what is the name of the function? Disp. So I'm calling the function, please observe here. Okay, while calling I'm passing the argument as a. Then what I'm passing here, I am passing the first address of an array. I am passing the first address of array. What is the first address? A of 0. Simple. A means I am passing, a is a array variable, right? If I am calling a means I am passing the address of a first array element. What is the first address? A of 0. If I supply the a of 0, I can access n address. Here the size is 10, here also you are specified as a 10. And now in the function body, this is the function definition, right? So in function definition I'm calling this function definition, or function body will execute. Here a is the actual variable and x of 10 is the dummy variable. I am supplying the first address. If I came to know the first address, I can access n address. Okay, yes. So whatever the values exist in this, it will be copied here. Okay, yes. Now I am displaying the values I have read, right? For int I am taking for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true. Now I am displaying x of 0. What is the x of 0 value? X of 0 location 10. In a of 0 location 10 is there, right? You are copied here, right? So automatically it will print 10. So once again I value will be increment. Now I become 1, 1 less than 10, x of 1. What is the x of 1 value? It is 20. Now once again I will be increment. I become 2, 2 less than 10. I have stored 20, right? Likewise it will be evaluate. Okay, so while calling you are passing only the a. A means it is the first address of an array. You need not to give x a of 10. Okay, if you simply give as an a as an array variable, then you are supplying the first address. If you supply the first address, I can access an address. Okay, yes. Now let me save it in your folder. Where is our folder? Just ensure that where we have to supposed to save, in your C drive, turbo C3 bin is there, and it is storing as array fun array 1.c. okay, fun array 1.c I have stored. Clear? Now I am minimizing, and I am opening my editor. Where is my editor? Turbo C++ editor. Here it is there. And after opening that, I'm starting Turbo C++. So my editor has started. I'm opening my file fun array 1.c. What happened? What is the mistake? Fun array 1.c. Fun array 1.c. Yes. F3 fun array 1.c. It is not there. What happened? Let me save as file save as. Yes, please observe I am changing fun array fun 1.c. okay, now open my editor. Let me close all by my window. I am opening once again array fun 1.c. let me open. Yes, now let me open. What is the name of fun array 1.c? It is not there, it is not stored. Let me save as all files. It is there. Let me give it as some different name. This is give it as farr dot c. Farr dot c. Okay. Yes. Let me open. Let me close this window first. Let me open. What is the name of our file? Farr.c. Farr.c. Yes, this is our program, right? Okay. So what is the aim of a program? We have to read 10 values from the keyboard, and we have to store in an array, and we have to call the function with an first element, first address of an array. When we call, the called statement as to display whatever the value we have stored, right? Let me compile. Alt F9, Control F9. I have to enter 10 values, so I am entering 10. Where the 10 will store? In F0 location. Where 20 will store? In Y of 1. 30 will store 2. Okay, 43, 54, 65, 76, 87, 98, 109. Got it? Here it is not displaying. Why? We have not given this getCH function, right? Here the getCH function is required. Clear? So now to view the result, I am pressing the Alt F5. So this is the value we have stored, right? So to get this, let me made it as a /t, then it is fine. Now let me compile once again and run once again. I'm storing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Got it? What happened? 1, yeah, here it is made a mistake /tn. okay, here it is a mistake, right? Okay, now let me see how it will be evaluate. I am pressing F7 key. F7 is gives the sequence of execution of your C program. So first I am pressing, it starts from the main function. Whatever the values of prototype as initialized, it will be initialized, accessed. It is asking for enter 10 values. Now you have to read the 10 values from the keyboard. For that you are writing the for loop, and scanf is to read the value from the keyboard, and I have to give it as a 10 and press the enter. Once again it is a scanf. Okay, I am storing 100 and press the enter. It is a scanf. F7 200, F7 scanf. Okay, 300, F7 400, F7 500, F7 600. This is the sequence. Okay, scanf 700, F7 800, F7 900. Got it? So now I am calling this function. Whenever I am calling this function, I am passing the first address. What is the first address? A of 0. If I came to know the first address, I can access an address. Okay, so it will calls to the function definition. Function body will be evaluate. Whatever the value is exist, it will be displayed. Okay, so it is a displaying. Okay, it will execute for 10 times. Afterwards get ch. we are getting now. Okay, so likewise you can pass the arrays in function. While calling, you are supplying only the address. It a simple A means you are supplying the first address. Okay, if you pass the first address, you can access an address. Clear? So that is your first program. Here one more program is there. Write a program to read 10 integers and find the sum by using functions. So we have to read these 10 numbers and we have to calculate the sum of that 10 numbers. Okay, yes. Now it is the same program, we are little bit modifying. Let me copy this program. Already I have copied here. Okay, open. This is our program. Same program. Int a of 10, array of variable. Here the prototype declaration is done. Here void is the return type, sum is the name of the function. Int a of 10, int a of 10 stands for it is a prototype declaration, so we have to read the 10 values, right? So for same program we are doing enter 10 values, we have to read the values. For that I'm using for loop. Scanf is to read and store, and I'm calling. While calling, I'm passing the first address. Simple A indicates the address of array variable. Okay, arrays of a first address variable. If I came past the first address, or simple you can pass like this also. Address is ampersand A of 0. If you pass like this, if you pass the first address, I can access an address. So if you are getting the confusion, no need, just give the A. Okay, so if I pass the first address, I can access an address. So here the same thing, it is evaluate. Now the summation of 10 numbers. For here, just for your understanding, I am entering 1. It will be stored in this is a comment line. Okay, let me understand, for your understanding purpose I am giving the comment line. Yes, in E of 0 location I am storing 1. Okay, whenever I is 1, comma, and A of 1 location 2, A of 2 location I am storing 3, right? Likewise I am storing. Okay, and A of 9 is the last address, right? In the A of 9 address I am storing 10. Clear? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. What is the total value? It is 55. It has to calculate. Okay, this is the aim of our program. This is the aim of our program. Okay, yes, for that I am passing the first address. In the first address it consists of a 1. I am passing the address is A of 0. Okay, if I pass the first address, I can access an address. I can access an address. So to calculate the program aim, I am taking the same variable in the function body. This is the function body, right? Here the A is the actual parameter, x of 10 is the dummy parameter. Function definition. Yes, int I comma s is equal to 0. Int I comma s is equal to 0. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true. If condition is true, s value is 0 plus x of 0. What is the x of 0 value? 1. So 0 plus 1, 1 will be stored here, and once again it will be I increment. I will become 2, right? Let it make it as a slash t. It is always better, right? Now it is a 2. So what is the 2 value? A of 1 value 1 or 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 will be stored here, right? And 2 plus 3, 5. So it will continue. Condition become false. Now let me save as. Ensure that in your C drive, turbo C3, bin. Okay, you are storing it as f array 1.c. f array arr by 1.c. Okay, yes, I'm stored, and I'm coming here, alt enter, and I'm opening my file. What is the name of a file? f array 1.c. Yes, this is our program, right? Yes, now I'm pressing alt F9. There is no error. Control F9. There is no error. It is asking for enter 10 value. I'm entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 1 is stored in A of 0 location, 2 is stored in your A of 1 location, 3 is stored in your A of 2 location, and so on. A of 9 location, it is 10. Now I'm calling. so it is not having the getch function. To view the result, press the alt F5. You are getting the sum of the number is 55. So if you want to know how it is executed, now I am showing you. Okay, I am showing you this program by compiling once again and running once again, and I am giving same values, or you can give any different values also, no problem. And you can give the different values, it is showing. Okay, so let me show how the sequence will be executed by pressing function key F7. If you press the F7 key, you came to know how it will evaluate. Okay, enter 10 values. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10 condition true, scanf %LD ampersand a of I, a of 0. Okay, whatever the value you are reading from the keyboard, it will store in that. I am storing 1 10. Okay, and once again it will come. I am pressing F7. You have to enter the second value. It is storing in AF1 location, and next it is the scanf. We have to store it as a 30, scanf 40, scanf 50. Okay, F7 60, F7 70, F7 80, F7 90, F7 100. So we should know what is its total. Now it is calling the function. Whenever it calls the function F7, it is come to the function definition and it will process now. Okay, it will first time it will process, and second time I am pressing F7 once again, once again, once again, once again, once again, once again, once again. Please observe, whenever I am saying once again, once again, once again, that will be processed till that looping statement. After that, it is displaying sum of the number is a sum, and it is terminating from that body, and it is coming to your main function. It is having getch function. So now it is displaying your output. Okay, sum of the number is 550. Clear? Likewise, you can execute your function concept, and two more programs are there. These two programs are very important, and one of the program is asked in your previous question paper. Okay, so what is the third program? Write a program to read two single dimension arrays and find the sum, store it into third array. So summation of, what is this? We have to store two array as a 10 values, and we have to add that two array in a third array variable. Okay, yes, so we will see this program. Let me open my program here. It is there already. Okay, so let us see. Write a program to read two single dimension arrays and find the sum, store it into a third array. Okay, so for that, let us see what we have done here. Int a of 10, it is a matrix A, it is matrix B, summation of two matrix. This is a program related to summation of two matrix. Okay, so here we have declared, and I are taking means your compulsory processing, reading the values, looping statement is exist. Okay, now this is the prototype declaration. Void sum int a of 10 comma int b of 10. So summation of two matrices, right? If you two matrices means two arrays, right? So first you are writing on output statement, enter values for an array A. You are writing on output statement, you have to read the values for first matrices. Okay, so for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, you are storing first matrices value, that is I am storing it as 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that will be stored in A of 0 to A of 9. Now we have to enter the value for matrix B. We have to enter the values for arrays B. Okay, so we are writing the same for loop, same to same for loop here. While here we are writing, instead of A we are writing B. Okay, B of I. Now you are calling the function. After the calling the function, you are calling the function, you are passing the first address of A and first address of B. So it consists of 1 1 1 plus 1, it has to store as 2. So whatever the value is present in A of 0 to 9, it will be copied here, and whatever the value of B is present, it will be copied here, right? Now we have to sum of these two numbers. Now we are writing these two these variables declaration is necessary. Okay, int I c of 10 s is equal to 0, summation of numbers, right? There sum is this variable is not required. Okay, now let me see here. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true. If condition is true, it will come here. What is I value? C of 0. In C of 0 location, what you are storing? X of 0. What is the X of 0 value? 1. What is Y of 0 value? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Where you are storing? C of 0. Okay, so if you display that C of C of 0 is 2, C of 0 is 2, got it? Likewise it will display. Afterwards I will be increment. Now I become 1, 1 less than 10, condition true. Now you are displaying x of 1. What is the x of 1 value? It is 2. What is y of 1 value? It is 2. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Where you are storing? C of 1. Got it? Likewise it will add two matrices. It will add two matrices. Okay, this is just like as an addition of two matrices, addition of two array. Okay, so I hope you have understand this concept. Please give more attention. Okay, let me save it first. Let me save as where to save? C drive, turbo C3, bin, and give it as f array 2 dot c, fr array fr farr 2 dot c. Okay, farr 2 dot c. I'm storing and I'm opening my file. Alt enter f3 farr 2 dot c. This is our program, right? F5. Now I am compiling and running. It is asking for enter the values for array A. I am entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Clear? And it is asking for enter the values for B. I am entering the same values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Got it? So it is showing value of the array C of 10 is 10. Why it is like that, we have to see now. It is a sum, right? What happened here? Zero. Yeah. Let me check. F7. It is asking for 1 2. Sorry. F7. Yes. F7. 1. F7. 2. F7. Mistaken. Okay, let me compile and run. Let me enter value as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now let me see this program. I have little modified here. Okay, let me open once again f3. What is that? F array 2 dot c, right? Yes, what is the modification I have done here? Please observe, this is not there, and here I have made within the block. Let me make here it is a block. Okay, let me make here it is a block, then you will came to know what it will execute. C of 0 is C of 0 location value. Okay, yes, save it and compile it and run it. Okay, now I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. It is a displaying value of C of 0 is 2, right? 1 plus 1. Got it? C of 1 2 plus 2, it is 4. C of 2 location 3 plus 3, it is 6, right? It is 10 plus 10 20. Got it? Yes. To understand this program, let me press the F7 key. Now you will understand. Okay, now clear screen. It comes to the for loop, we have to read the value. So I'm giving it as a 1 and F7, 2, F7, F7. It has been mistaken. Right. Let me compile and run it. I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. So this is our program. Yes. Save it and see the sequence by pressing F7 key. In the F7 key you are pressing, you have to read the value. Right. I'm pressing F7. First I am entering 1, enter F7, 2, enter F7, 3, enter F7, 4, enter F7, 5, enter F7, 6, enter F7, 7, enter F7, 8, enter F7, 9, enter F7, 10. So we are storing 10 elements, right? And next I'm pressing the F7. It is asking for the enter the value for B, so you have to enter F7. 1 enter F7, 2 enter F7, 3 enter F7, 4 enter F7, 5 enter F7, 6 enter F7, 7 enter F7. We missed it, will give inappropriate result. Okay, because of some mistake has happened. Here it is showing some garbage value because here we have given a blank space and enter, and afterwards it has not entered, so here it is giving garbage value. Okay, yes, clear. So better to practice it in your notes. If you practice it in your notes, then you will understand this concept very clean and neatly. Okay, yes, this is your program, and we are having one more last program. This is a very important program. Let us see what is the program. Sorting. What do you mean by sorting? Arranging in an order, right? So write a program to read 10 integers into one array, another 10 integers in second array, and sort them in ascending order using function. So we have to sort. So we have to sort two array elements. Okay, so for example here int a of 10, b of 10, I is declared. So two array variable is declared. We have to store two different values and sort them. So void, I am writing the name of the function prototype. Your prototype declaration is void sort int a of 10, int a of 10. Okay, int a of 10, clear screen. Now we are writing one output statement, enter the values for array. You have to read 10 different values. Okay, you can enter anything. After that, entering that, you are displaying, please observe here, before sorting the values, whatever the values you have entered, you are displaying as it is. You are displaying as it is before sorting. Okay, for that I am repeating the same for loop but with printf statement. Okay, and next you are calling the sort. In sort you are passing the address of e. In sort you are passing the address of e. Okay, here it is also same thing, it is b, right? Yes, after sorting you are displaying the a value. Okay, you are writing the same for loop, and you are writing here for I is equal to 0, you are using the printf statement, same above statement. Okay, now you are writing printf statement, enter the value for an array b. You are writing for the array b. Okay, and you are writing for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true, same above statement. And scanf for whatever the value you are reading, you are storing in b. Okay, before sorting you are displaying the whatever the value you have entered, you are displaying, and you are calling the sorter b. So you are calling this function, you are passing this value. Okay, if you pass the value, after it will be evaluate and it will come here printf. After sorting the value of b, now you are displaying after the sorting. Okay, printf %d/t b of I. Okay, so before calling before sorting, what is the entered value? After sorting, what is the sorted value? You are displaying. Now we are writing the sorting function. Okay, this is the function body. Here it program ends. Let me give the get ch. Okay, save it. Yes, Now void sort int x of 10. So x is the dummy parameter of while calling a and while calling b. Whatever the values exist, it will pass, because we are passing the 10 values, right? Here it is given 10 integer values, we have to sort. So to sorting, this is the logic we are following. Please observe here, this is the sorting logics we are following. This is very very important for int I comma j comma t. So if you are taking ij, means you are using nested for loop. Ij means nested for loop. T is for temporary variable. Okay, now you are writing this loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 10, condition true. For j is equal to I plus 1, 0 plus 1 1, j less than 10, condition true. If x of I value is 0, x of j value is 1, you are comparing x of 0 greater than x of 1. If this condition true, then what you are doing, you are sorting. In temporary variable, you are storing x of 0 value, x of 0 value you are storing x of 1 value, x of 1 location you are storing temporary value. Okay, this is the logic for sorting. If you are doing the sorting, then this nested for loop is coming. Okay, clear? Yes, I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt related to this program, please personally ask personally message me. Okay, I will explain this program. Okay, let me save it. So once it is called here, once it is a sort, it is calling here, it will sorted, and whatever the sorted value you are displaying. Now you are passing the value for b, and before sorting you are displaying. Now you are calling that function, and calling that, it will come here and sorting that. After sorting, you are displaying that value. Okay, yes, yes, let me save it. Before that, you just put a paper and pen and write this program, and while scanf you have to read values like this. Okay, I'm giving a scan this one comment line. In a of 0, I'm storing 90, reverse order, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Likewise you can store it, and after sorting it, as it will display 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. Okay, clear? Yes, likewise it will be displayed. Okay, if you want to know, please observe here, I am giving some more detail. A of a percental d colon percental d. If I write like this, then you will definitely understand. Okay, this should be within a block, right? Here I comma a of I. Likewise you are right. That's it. Here also same thing. After sorting the values, you are identifying what is the value. A of a percental d colon percental d. I have made a slash d, that is for your understanding purpose. I comma a of I. Okay, so here also same thing you have to supposed to do. Here it is b of a percental d colon percental d. You are displaying I value comma b of I value. Okay, yes. So after sorting also same thing you are doing. Open curly brace, and here the closing curly brace. Here also b of a percental d. Next percental d, sorry, percental d colon percental d. So it is I value comma b of I location value. Okay, now let me save it. Save as. I'm ensuring that in your C drive, turbo C3 bin, here you are storing f array rr3.c. okay, frr arr dot 3.c I am storing, and I am opening my editor, and I am opening my file. What is my file? farr3.c. yes, I am compiling. Alt F9. There is 2 errors. Let me check. Unexpected file in comment started. Where is this comment? Is there any comment? Yes, we have not closed here, right? Please observe here. Here we have started, not required actually. You understand, right? Okay, save it and compile it. One error is exist, unexpected, so more is there. Please observe here. This is starts here. This starts here. If this condition is here, it is missed, I think so. Yes, here it ends. If condition here it ends, it is inner loop ends, this is outer loop ends, and this is function body ends. Yes, now it is correct. And compile now, there is no error, and run now. It is asking values of for a. I am entering 1 space 2 space 3 space, sorry, 10 space 9 space 8 space 7 space 6 space 5 space 4 space 3 space 2 space 1. It has missed what? A of 0. Please observe here. Before sorting of a value, A is A of 0 location I am storing 10, A of 1 location it is 9, A of 2 location 8, right? After sorting, it is not displayed. Why? Is there any mistake? Let me check. Okay, let me give some 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So here it is showing, right? Yes, before sorting whatever the value we have stored, it is showing, right? After sorting in B of 0 location it is having 10, right? It is sorted, clear? Yes, but in A of it has done mistake, right? Let me check what is that mistake. Yes, here percental D is missed, percent is there, D is missed. Okay, control string is missed. Now save it and compile it and run it. Now checkmate. Okay, I'm entering. You can enter any order: 50, 40, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So now you will see. Before sorting, A of 0 location value is 50, A of 1 location value is 40, A of 2 location value is 20, right? After sorting, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 40, 50. Here, now you have to enter the values for like that: 90, minus 1, 2, 100. I'm giving different, okay? 30, 50, 6, 1000, 45, 6. I'm giving rough values, whatever it may be. So it is showing before sorting whatever the value we have entered, it is displaying, and after sorting the value is coming ascending to descending order. Minus 1 is stored in B of 0 location, B of 1 value is 2, and so on. Okay, so here it is sorted. So hope you understand this concept. This is a very important program, and also this is a concept is very important. What is this concept? Passing function in an arrays. Okay, so hope you understand this concept. We will meet you in the next class.